On June 9, 1912, Josiah J.B. Moore, a respected farm implement dealer, resided in the tranquil town of Villisca, Iowa, with his wife, Sarah, and their 4 children. That evening, they attended a Children's Day program at their local Presbyterian church, accompanied by 2 neighboring girls, 12-year-old Lena Stillinger and 8-year-old Ina, who were invited to stay overnight at the Moore residence due to the late hour and darkness. Following the conclusion of the church program, between approximately 9:30 and 10 p.m., the Moores and the Stillinger sisters returned to the house and retired for the night. Customarily, doors in the town were left unlocked, and unbeknownst to the family, an assailant had likely already concealed themselves in the attic or barn, awaiting an opportune moment. Between midnight and 5 a.m., the intruder entered the house carrying a dimly lit kerosene lamp and the Moore family's own coal shed axe. The killer first attacked J.B. Moore in the master bedroom, inflicting over 30 blows before proceeding to kill Sarah. The murderer then moved through the house, bludgeoning the 4 children in their beds, and finally the Stillinger girls in the parlor bedroom. After committing the murders, the assailant covered mirrors and windows with clothing retrieved from drawers, washed their bloodied hands in the kitchen basin, consumed some uneaten food, left a slab of bacon near the axe, locked the front door with a key, and vanished before dawn. On June 10th, neighbors grew concerned when J.B. Moore failed to report for work and no one answered at the house. Marshal Henry Horton forced entry, discovering every bed in the house occupied by a victim. The horrific scene attracted crowds who, unfortunately, contaminated evidence by touching the bodies and the murder weapon. The subsequent investigation was hampered by the absence of forensic science in the compromised crime scene. No indications of forced entry or theft were found, and while suspects, including a business rival and a traveling preacher, emerged, none were ever convicted. The case endures as a chilling, unsolved mystery. Today, the Villisca Axe Murder House is preserved as a historic site, drawing visitors intrigued by its tragic past and numerous reports of paranormal activity, thereby establishing it as one of Iowa's most infamous and haunting cold cases.